Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Today we are doing unboxing for Xiaomi new model Mi 10 Ultra, which is surprisingly came in best design and specification and super fast charging 120 watt plus 120 Hz display. So let's go. Inside the box you are getting a silicone case in the box with Type-C cable with a massive 120 watt adapter. This is first time I'm seeing 120 watt adapter in my hand. So let's go and uncover the beast. This is the transparent edition of the phone and it looks absolutely incredible. The feel of the phone is awesome and it looks like a premium device. On the front side we have a Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and 6 on the back. Unfortunately it's not a water resistant, there is no any IP rating, single power button and volume rocker. The SIM tray you will find on the bottom of the phone, which is without memory card supporting. USB Type-C charging port, dual speaker but it's not supporting Dolby Atmos. Front display size is 6.7 inch with 1080 by 2340 pixels OLED capacitive touchscreen, billion colors and HDR10 plus supporting. The best thing about this phone in the display, it's coming with 120 Hz refresh rate, which is a main key selling point for the Mi Note 10 Ultra. For more battery timing, you can switch from 120 Hz to 60 Hz also. And you can turn on the dark mode. Also it's coming with always on display as well. Charging for this phone is really breaking all records. Xiaomi advertising in 5 minutes you will get up to 41%. In 100% you can charge your phone just in 23 minutes. But from my personal experience I got 100% charging in 30 minutes, which is also fabulous. In camera you are getting the best camera setup. 48 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel ultra wide, 48 megapixel periscope telephoto lens and 12 megapixel. In video recording you are getting 8K video recording at 24 seconds and 4K you can record 30 or 60 frame per second. On the front we have a selfie camera 20 megapixel and 1080p at 30 frame per second. The device is powered by Snapdragon 865 processor, 16 GB of RAM, LPDDR5 and 3.1 UFS storage on board. For me guys, this is the best phone from Xiaomi till now. Hope guys you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Peace out.